Hi friends, welcome back to Miss Jess's channel, and today in celebration of Father's Day we're going to make a craft called What I Love About My Dad, and you're going to get to hang it. So this is what you'll need. What you're going to need is some crayons, some string, some art like foam stickers, you can have some glitter pens, popsicle sticks, scissors, paper, tape, and a Sharpie marker. Okay, so we're going to get started with thinking about, what do I love about my dad? This is where you're going to go grab mom, auntie, grandma, so they can help you write down what you love about your dad. My top 5 things. 1, I love that my dad is caring. 2, he is loving. 3, he's helpful. 4, he says dad jokes. And 5, I love the way my dad plays the piano. So now that I have my 5 things, I'm going to write them on the popsicle sticks. Okay, so I'm going to start with coloring my popsicle stick. Let's see, what color am I going to choose? Red. So you can choose any color you want, and I'm just going to color the whole popsicle stick red. Front and back if you choose to. It's your choice. You be creative. After I color it, I'm going to write what I love about Dad. I'm gonna pick blue, or as they say, indigo. Color that one. And my first one was caring. Okay, so I'm going to finish coloring all these sticks and finish writing my list down. Okay, now that they're all colored and have the titles on there, just flip them over. And then I'm just going to line them up. I'm going to get my handy dandy tape. You can always choose to use glue too if you want to glue, but I don't feel like waiting for it to dry. So I'm just gonna use tape. And then you're going to get some string. Take one side. The other. And there you go. You have your hanging What I Love About Dad. So if you'd like to add more to this art, you can do some glitter. Add some glitter. And you can add stickers. You can add got these at Dollar Tree. A baseball. My dad likes sports too. Here is our hanger of What I Love About Dad. What do you love about your dad? Hopefully I get to see your artwork. See you later. Bye.